Hello, all the students of Standard 5. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe, spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. Eat healthy food, play some indoor games. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it in homework copy on time. Because whenever the school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I have given. So please be sincere and do all the homework on time. Today I am going to teach you science chapter 5, solids, liquids and gases is going on. I have already started this chapter. Now today I am going to explain expansion and contraction. Expansion and contraction. So see what is expansion and what is contraction. Now what happens in expansion? Expansions usually substance expand or bigger when they are heated up. When you will heat any object, okay, object not any substance, then it will become bigger. So that will be known as expansion. And in contraction, it becomes smaller and it becomes contract. Okay, in contraction they become smaller. Okay, and they become contract when we cool it. In expansion, when we heat it expands, it becomes bigger. But in contraction, when we cool any substance, it becomes smaller and it get contract. Understood? When we heat, it becomes expand or bigger. When we cool, it becomes small or contract. So when a substance expand or contract, the particles stay the same size. It is the space between the particle that changes. Okay, it is the space of the particle that changes. Okay, the particle space means see, when I will heat, when I will cool it, then what will happen? See, so this is cold. When we cool it, the particles, the size of particles will remain same. Only this space between the particles will change. So in cool, it becomes smaller, means it will come closer. In when we will hot it, what will come? See, in hot. Okay, when particles become hot, what happens? It becomes bigger. It changes their size. And when it becomes cold, it's remain small. Okay, it's remain in cold. When we cool anything, it becomes smaller. When we hot anything, it becomes bigger. So this is known as contraction. This is known as expansion. So what happens during expansion? During expansion, particles gain energy and start to move faster. Okay, during expansion, when we heat, particles gets move faster, and these forces they move further apart, causing an increase in the size. Okay, in this expansion. So during expansion, what particles get energy. Particles get energy and starts to move, and further they increase their size. Okay, and further they increase their size. Okay, here it is I am telling they increase their size, but in other way it is they remain the same, only spaces expand. Okay, size does not change. Here it is given, but in upper part it is given when substances expand or contract, their particles stay the same size. Only the space between the particles that changes phase. So first with expansion, the increase in the size means volume. Okay, it is written also. I'm just writing here. Is you understood? So I'm writing here. The increase in a size means volume. Space is increase in the size of a substance, okay, on heating is called expansion. Okay, so this is expansion. Now on cooling, the particles lose energy and their movement slows down. On heating, particles gain energy and they move faster. Okay, they gain energy and move faster on heating. That's why particles become bigger and they lose energy and move and movement slows down on cooling, and that's why they come closer and substance used to decrease. All the particles comes closer in this, all particles they expand in this, they come closer and there is a decrease in their size. So they decrease in the volume of a substance on cooling is called contraction. It's called contraction. Understood? What happens in expansion? When we heat it, they gain energy and the particles move faster, and after, when they move faster, that's causing in the increase in the size. That's why they expand, they become bigger. But in contraction, what happens when we cool a substance, they lose energy and the movement of particles get slowed down, and after that, that's causing their decrease in their size. So the increment in a size means volume of a substance on heating is called expansion. The decrease in the volume of a substance on cooling is called contraction. So expansion and contraction are used to attach the heads of tools such as pick axle. Okay, if you have seen for cultivating, their tools are there. So when they join, so this expansion and contraction used to join the things tools. The heads of this tool have an iron ring into which the handle is inserted. The diameter of the ring is smaller than the thickness of the handle. On heating, the ring expands and the handle is inserted. When it cools, the ring contracts to its original size, fitting around the handle tightly. If you have seen gone to anywhere the iron, they used to give fire and they used to join. If you have seen any your door, that door iron one, so this is all attached due to the process of expansion and contraction. Okay, they produce heat. After producing heat in that hole, it become bigger, expand, and after giving that, and this one access, and this is handle. When I will attach it after heating, and after some time I will leave it for cooling, and after cooling, what will happen? That will become smaller, it will contract, and they will stuck. So different substances expand and contract differently on equal amount of heating and cooling. On an equal amount of cooling, solids contract the least, liquids contract more than solid, while gases contract the most. Okay. So different substances expand and contract differently. And here it is given equal amount of cooling, solid contract the least, liquid liquid contract more than solids and gas contracts the most. Till here I am stopping. In next classes I will go for page number 67. So for now, goodbye to all of you.